Hello everyone! Welcome to DCIM, and you are now watching God's love and faithfulness in His church.
Dynamic Kids and J12 Sunday Service, where young hearts are ignited, faith is strengthened, and leaders are born. Last week, kids learned that Jesus is alive. His love never ends. And through His resurrection, He gives us hope, new life. What did you learn in the DK?
Go. Jesus love me.
Join us every second and fourth Sunday of the month at Bronze and Silver Room Appaview Hotel. Thank you and see you all.
A strong and enduring church is built on the foundation of unity, fervent prayer, and a shared, God-given vision. It is through these pillars that we stand together, unwavering and bold in our faith. A vision to raise up godly families who will be catalysts of transformation, reaching and impacting other families with the love and truth of Christ. Now is the time to rise as one, to build as one. Together, we are committed to reaching out to the lost and broken, to restoring hope and faith, to retraining and equipping leaders, and to releasing empowered, godly individuals and families who will carry the message of the gospel throughout Simimao, Kadalian, and even to the ends of the earth. What we see today is only the beginning of the great work God is doing in and through us.
Empowered to lead, equipped to serve, last night's School of Witness training was more than just a gathering. It was a powerful moment of impartation, learning, and unity as church leaders came together to deepen their understanding of the vision, mission, and core values of DCIM. With hearts open and spirits willing, we continue to grow in wisdom, strength, and commitment, preparing ourselves for the great work that God has called us to do. As we align ourselves with His word and purpose, we are being shaped and equipped to make a lasting impact in our communities and beyond. Let's press on with faith, passion, and dedication, ready to serve, ready to lead, all for His glory.
My ma, because she loved me. I love my ma because she loves God and Daddy. Happy Mother's Day. You are the most beautiful girl on earth. I love you, ma, because imo kong yatagan og instruction og disiplina. I love you, ma, because imo ming gina take care. Mag-great day na siya kung talaga, mama. Happy Mother's Day na. Salamat na ni Ginoni. Habasa, kabayang basa bingle. Salamat Kima na nagkasa akong pinit. I love you. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, ma'am. Salamat, wala min mo biyai, wala din hindi pasagdahi. Bisan ta sa mga triacs. Pero nagpabilin yapon kang ligon sa atong pamilya o kami di karon. Nag-say mo Happy Mother's Day. God bless and shalom. Salamat sa mong kinabuhi. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day,
mga.
Thank you kayo magkay. Panganak ko ni mo. Thank you kayo magkay. Gatag ni mo ang best ni mo sa ako. And thank you kayo magkay. Gatag ni mo. Ginapakaon minimum.
Yes. Happy Mother's Day, ma. Thank you kayo sa mga hard works na ginabuhat para lang din sa mga anak sa mga family. Thank you kayo. Pakita rin kung sa amin yung pa-love. Thank you po sa mga sacrifice na hindi po nabuhat.
Happy Mother's Day. Si Mama Rosalyn Gabyang, pinakabutan, pinakagwapa, pinaka-generous ng mga mama sa kalibutan. Nanay siya sa silong karon niluto surprise na mo. Makita ni mo service pa. Ug sa tanang mga mama sa kalibutan, Happy Mother's Day, especially kang pastora o mga mama sa DCIM. Ug Mami Lolita, Happy Mother's Day. I love you, mga mama. 1, 2, 3. Happy Mother's Day.
I love you, ma.
Love you.
Bye-bye.
Hi Mayen, Happy Mother's Day. Salamat sa Ginoo man na ikaw na kong nainahan, and salamat pud man na gina-guide ko nimo maski guwang nako, and gina-remind ko nimo sa mga mali nako. Dagan po kong ma-learn po sa imo. Dagan salamat ma. God bless and shalom.
Happy Mother's Day, men. Salamat sa pag-care sa moment o pag-love sa moment. And salamat sa pagluto o lamay na sugaan sa mga kinapin nga i-bless pa ka ni Lord and patakan pag-kamlas ni Lord. And Happy Mother's Day, men.
We love you ma, and Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, ma. Happy Mother's Day sa amazing din ako ng mama. Sa nag-nurture sa kuha, sa nag-support sa kuha, o sa nag-love sa kuha. Salamat po ma sa pag-love niyo sa mga anak. Mailang og sorry ang pasensya ma kung usahay ma-hurt ka sa kong kadako sa kong tingog. Pero ang ko na sa kuha na, ako lang dyan kong tingog ma. Pero sa tinod lang malagay ka, and akong pagampo sa Ginoo nga tagaan pagtaas na kinabuhi para taas patag mapag-umanan ug ako pang mapapati sa mga alat. Happy Mother's Day, ma.
Happy Mother's Day, ma. Salamat sa imong support and help diri sa amo ama. Thank you for your life, for bringing him diri sa kalibutan, and salamat kay na-adjud ka diri sa mga nag-help perminti adlaw. Salamat kayo, Jude. Ako alam yung prayers sa mga just be happy always, enjoy lang yung life, and enjoy your day. Morning adlaw karon. Happy Mother's Day. Continue to be a loving mother and masinagtano na mama. Happy Mother's Day, ma.
Mother's Day, ma. Bye-bye. We love you.
Happy Mother's Day.
Hello. Hi, ma. Happy Mother's Day. Sa among dancing queen na si Lolita Galvia. Salamat kayo sa pag-care sa mua, masing badlungon mi. Pero dili naman karon. Salamat kayo. Happy Mother's Day. Shalom.
Happy Mother's Day sa tanan. Para sa akong mama, si Mama Bebot. Salamat sa tanan imong support sa among family. Happy Mother's Day, ma. I love you. Sa akong mga sisters, especially kay Ate Ken, kay Ate Bong, kay Ate Sena, kay Ate Lilay. Happy Mother's Day po sa inyo, ha. God bless mong tanan og stay healthy. Og sa akong pinakapalanggang asawa, pinakagwapa og pinaka-cute, si Cindy, Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Horot, forever and ever. Amen.
3 reasons why we love Mama. The first reason is that she loves me because she takes care of me. And the second reason is she drives me everywhere. The third reason is that she makes me food. Happy Mother's Day! We love you, Mama!
Happy Mother's Day! Fabri, thanks for caring and loving for me, Gab, at saying Mama Mary at Papa, I love you. I miss you so much.
Hi Ma, Happy Mother's Day. And these are the 3 reasons why I love you. 1, because you love and support me. Number 2, because you've cared for me. And number 3, you're making the best for our family. Thank you. Bye.
Happy Mother's Day to all mothers, most especially my mom, si Catherine Tagayo. 3 things that I love about my mom is, number 1, she's the greatest support system I have. Number 2, she's very dedicated. If whatever my plans, she's very supportive and very dedicated. Number 3, she's joyful. Daghan kay siya joy and love to share with everyone. So, happy Mother's Day. Bye-bye. I love you.
3 reasons why I love my mother because she always take care of me. Pati kay Papa po, then supportive siya sa mua ni Papa. And gina-spoiled ko niya. Kung kasi gusto na ako, ginapalit din niya. Love ko niya ni Papa. Yun lang. Love you, Mother. Mwah.
Happy Mother's Day! Mama Joy, Mama Jane, Mama Jerlyn, Mama Sol, we love you so much. God bless you all from Monaskey. I love you. Happy Mother's Day. Because Jesus always bless us. So our kindness and heartness and happiness.
3 reasons why I love my mom. Number 1, she's caring. Number 2, she's loving. Number 3, she's kind.
3 reasons why I love my mom. First reason is hardworking na person. Every day, gamatag sa'yo para magtulong sa canteen. Next is kind person. And last reason is she's my mom. Kaya love ko siya. And happy Mother's Day to my mom and to all other moms there.
Happy Mother's Day to my mama. Thank you for always supporting me, taking care of me.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama Liza. Good health and we love you.
To the strongest woman I know, happy Mother's Day, Mama. Your love and support mean everything to me, and I'm so blessed and grateful for having you in my life. I love you so much. Ingat ka palagi. Stay healthy. I miss you so much. Mwah.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Thank you, Ma, sa pag-alaga sa mo ni Kuya. Ate, huwag po sa ma sa pagmalog. Ma, sa kay ate o kay Kuya o sa kuasad, Ma. O sa pagmahal sa mong tulo, Ma. And I pray, Ma, nga magdugay pa ka sa mundo, Ma, para makauban pa ka na mo. I love you, Ma. Love you. Happy Mother's Day.